move to inside control. Once you get inside control, you're going to snap their head down, so you have to step back and move your knee. Go with the jet. Then put your shoulder on their seat. Lock their arm. Take the back. Good. And again, ready? Collar and elbow. Inside control. Head snap and step back. Shoulder on the seat. Lock the arm, take the back. And seatbelt. Good. One more time with me. Ready. Inside control. Head snap and step back. Lock the shoulder, put your shoulder on the seat, lock your arm, go behind. Good job. You guys want to come up? 2 minutes on your own. You may begin.
Start here. Got to start with the collar and then go with the leverage.